Chrome extensions can add useful tools directly to your browser, from password managers and ad blockers to writing helpers and screen capture tools. In this guide, I'll show you how to find, install, pin, and manage Chrome extensions safely. First, open Google Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store. You can search for it online, or type Chrome Web Store into the address bar and open the official result. Once the store opens, use the search bar near the top left corner to find the type of extension you need. For example, you can search for a grammar checker, password manager, PDF tool, or screen recorder. Before installing anything, open the extension page and check the developer name, user reviews, number of users, and the permissions it requests. Extensions can access browser data, so it is best to install tools from developers you recognize and trust. When you are ready, click Add to Chrome. A small confirmation window will appear and explain what the extension can access. Read it, then click Add Extension to continue. Chrome will download and install the extension automatically. After a moment, you may see a confirmation message, and the extension may appear near the top right corner of the browser. To keep the extension easy to reach, click the Puzzle Piece Extensions icon near the address bar. Find the extension in the list, then click the pin icon beside it. Its icon should now stay visible on the toolbar. To manage your extensions later, click the three dots in Chrome, move over Extensions, then select Manage Extensions. From here, you can turn an extension off, view its details, or remove it completely. Try to keep only the extensions you actually use. Too many can slow Chrome down, and unused extensions may still have access to browser information. So, review your extension list from time to time and remove anything you no longer need. And that is how to install Chrome extensions. Search the Chrome Web Store, check the details, add the extension, and manage it anytime from Chrome's extension settings. Thanks for watching.